Hello guys, how you doing? Today's video will show you the quickest way if you don't have GPU, if your PC is too slow, it's lagging for you to play PS1 on your PC emulator. This is the quickest way to show you how to do it. So I will show you step by step, you know what you need first. So what we need first is, let's give me a minute. First open first we need to get the emulator ePsxe. So this is the link on description below. It will open for you. Wait a minute. Yeah, it's gonna be like this. This is the website. You can choose Windows, Win32. I think it only works on Win32. I'm not sure if it works for 64-bit. I'm not sure about that, so choose Windows. I think they have Android too, if I'm not mistaken. I'm pretty sure they have Android, so you can play it on your mobile as well. Anyway, that's not the point. Download it, and you have zip file and zip it. It's gonna be like that after you zip it, right? Then you will have BIOS. You need to download the BIOS, of course. Where to download this? In description below again. You will find the BIOS. There are many different BIOSes here. The BIOS is like what kind of PlayStation did you have before, like English, Spanish, Japanese? So the best one is USA, American one. It can play all the games in it. So download this one. Let me show you here. This one, I think second one. Yeah, second one. Download it. You will find here télécharger in French, télécharges, and we're gonna extract it here. Just copy that file inside the WinZip zip file, copy it and paste it in this BIOS, okay, inside this PlayStation emulator we have. Next, what do we have? I think we need plugin. Yeah, we need the plugin. If you don't have GPU, I think this works as like fake GPU. Maybe I think they make your CPU work as a GPU. So this plugin gives you that. I don't know how it works. I'm not genius, but this is what I understand from it. So where do we download this fake GPU? We go to this website. It's called link in description below. Where is it? Yeah, this one. I will put it in description. ppburnet.com, blah blah blah. Copy this and paste it on your browser. It would take you directly to it. So basically it's this one. If you click this one, it will tell you first this one, zip file like 500. Download this. If you click, right click, save, you can right click and save it, or you can, if you click and it doesn't work, just click save. Yes, the easiest one. This one is highlighted like orange, as you can see. Just click it or save it. Yeah, and then you're gonna extract all the files in the plugins file. You're gonna see inside this file this stuff here. Copy all of them and paste it here in the plugins, right inside these plugins. Okay, so we're gonna choose it later. What else do we have? Okay, we need games, of course. If you need games, there is link in description again. All the game list of PS1. You will find it in this website. Sorry guys, I have many things open right now. Yeah, this is the website for all the games you need. I think this is based on emulator you have. If you have US, download US, you know what I mean? All the games here. This is very good. Just click the game, and after that you see many people rate it, and then you will click download this download the ISO, this, see it? Then you click here, and then you can wait 5 seconds and it's gonna be download. And then after you download it, you need to come here and this iSauce, put the file here and extract it like this. Just extract file. No, right click and come on. Takes a little bit time because my PC is very slow. Oh shit. Anyway, you click the last one, extract to crash, the last one, you see? Because if you click the last one, it's gonna make a folder like this one. Okay, we're gonna need these two later. It's gonna be like that. So after you did all of this, what do we need now? We can open our emulator. Open our emulator. Let's see the configuration. CPU load, we choose this one, this one, and this one, this one. So it's all the same for you. Just follow it, you know. Plugin. What do we have for plugin? Video. Okay. So for the plugin, we need to choose this one. So we already downloaded it. Now we need to choose this one. ePsxe D3D driver 1.77. Choose this one. Click on config, and you can choose Windows mode, and you can choose resolution. Of course, it's not going to be HD because back in the days there is no monitors HD. It's all like this freaking box. So you can choose the same resolution I have. Texture quality, don't care. Texture none. Bit, don't forget about it. 32-bit. And just follow all this, you know, the same things. Put it the same for you. All right, moving on. Do we have? After that, click OK. Then we go to the sound, I guess. I don't think it matters. Anyway, we have only one. Yeah, config video. I think this is the same other one. Doesn't matter. Now we go config and sound. Latency for the first one, and second one sound without rev. I don't know. I just saw the other YouTubers do it, so I do it. Anyway, config gamepad port 1 and pad 1. This is for your control, for your keyboard. It's look like control, but this is your keyboard. Okay. So just you can choose whatever things you want for your keyboard. Just follow this. I think this is the easiest one. Left shift for this thing and Q for that, and you know what I mean. Just follow the instruction and remember them, because when you want to play you will need to remember all of these things. Anyway, so after all of this, I think we are good to go. Yeah, we forget to select the BIOS. So here we select the BIOS. You go config, BIOS, and select. And after you select, go to your thing, BIOS, the thing we put it before, and OK. Anyway, that's it. I think that's it. Yeah, that's it. And now we go to open game list, because we put it in the game list now. Just click folder and choose the folder where your games is. I have it on desktop, ePsxe folder of emulator, and then click iSauce and OK and OK. Now you refresh. After you refresh, get cover so you can see the picture of the game, and after that all you need to do is choose which game you want and click OK to play the game. That's it. Voila. I don't have any GPU. as you can see here, I don't have any GPUs, just CPU and memory, that's it, no GPUs at all. So look at this, look how many FPS I got, 60 FPS, and the sound is good, right? Hell yeah. So you can start with down button and then start again, down button, and this is it. Super good. Like we have 4 lines.
What have I got?
I know it's a lot of game, man. I have many memory in the game. Anyway, that was it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed. And this is the easiest way I learned from all YouTubers together, because one give you something, one they don't give you other thing. I just collect all the information I got and I give it to you guys, so you don't go another way. Links in descriptions. If you need something, just leave it in the comment below and I will help you out. Peace out.